Hi. Today I want to make a video in support of issues like tinnitus, which is the ringing of the ears, or if you have any issues with equilibrium, all these things are controlled by the inner ear. And there's a wonderful exercise in Chinese medicine called beating the heavenly drum. And when you beat the heavenly drum, which is where the neck connects with the head, right there at the back of the head, it's called the occiput. When you thump on that area, it brings this state like you're back in utero. It calms the mind and allows these areas to start to relax. So it's a really good one for tinnitus or equilibrium issues or general overall stress in your body to calm yourself down. So the way that this works is you're going to work with a flicking action. You're going to flick your index finger off the middle finger. You're going to thump that in the back of your head. And you want to find a beat that's like the beat of the heart. So it's not real fast, but you want to go thump, 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 and just right into the back of the head. So I'm going to turn around to do that in a moment, but I'm going to invite you also to cover your ears as you do that. Allow the fingers to go there. And then once you get a sense of the exercise, I'll invite you to close your eyes so it becomes more of an internal practice. So let's go ahead and give it a try. So I'm going to invite you to cover the ears. Bring your hands to your base of the base of the skull, and we'll thump it. We're going to do this 24 times. And then rub the back of the head and neck. And if that's a very serious issue for you, you can do this multiple times a day. It's very safe exercise to do. And that should give you some relief from those situations. I hope that helps. Have a great day. Take care.